Standing right there looking so amazing. Oh, so I thought I'd say something. Oh, I thought I'd say something. Oh, I thought I'd say something.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Taharaslounge, and today we're gonna be playing in the It's My Ray Ray stuff. Yeah, I'm like super excited. Like, I was waiting for this because first of all, I like her. Like, she's cute, she's gorgeous. Like, come on now. I was ready. I was pumped when I seen she was coming out with something by BHCosmetics, and then I was pumped that it was like pink and rose gold, and I was like, girl, that is so cute. So I can't wait. So today, you guys, I'm gonna be playing in it with you. I'm showing y'all how everything looks and everything like that. So this is what the brushes came in, and these is the brushes. And then also, I got the palette. So this is how the palette came. And the brushes also, let's go back. The brushes came wrapped individual. Each brush came wrapped individual. And then it came in this bag as well with the little, you know, freshness. And this is the palette, you guys. So that's how that looks. And this is just the outer wrapping. Show y'all the back. So this is the back. And then this is the palette. So it's pink and rose gold. It's so pretty, y'all. And you get these gorgeous shadows. For travel purposes, you guys, this will be like a winner, okay? I'm super proud of her and stuff like that. I'm proud of any YouTuber, anybody who's trying to make it. And if it's YouTube, like something I love, like, I'd be like, kudos, you know. And if I have the extra money to support, then I would definitely support. So this was from BHCosmetics. It wasn't that much. I believe it was $46, and that was for both of the pieces. But I'm gonna leave the links below. So if y'all want to check out the palette or the brushes, definitely go click the links below. And yeah, y'all, let's play with her stuff. So I already prepped and primed my eyes. So I'm gonna take her brushes. I'm going to take the Fluffy Blending Brush, number 6. I'm going to take this color, Mousse. Okay. Come through. So we're going to go to this other side. Okay. I'm not mad at the brushes at all. Like, I'm not mad at the brush or the shadow. Try that color right here, Angel. Oh, I'm actually gonna take that on the same brush. That's how I'm gonna play it. Just squirt like that. Squirt like that though. I'm gonna take that on the same brush. You see how much it pick up? Like a lot. My battery is actually about to die. I'm about to switch batteries and I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I switched my battery. We are back. I changed some stuff around here, so yeah. We back though. Okay, so I was putting the color Angel on my eyes, so I'm gonna start doing that. I actually don't have no highlight brush, so I got these brushes from Amazon. It was $3. I got them on sale. I seen them like on a makeup for black women that I follow page on Facebook. I seen they post about $3 brushes, so I got me some, and these are the brushes. So yes, I'm gonna be incorporating some of those brushes as well. Yeah, I'm gonna take the color Spice. And one thing about these colors, but the shadow come out like you ain't gonna be missing no shadow. Like, you gotta tap some excess away because it be so strong. So I'm gonna go back in with this brush. cut the crease and put this color Tiffany. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral to cut my crease. So we're gonna be using this angle brush. Okay, now I'm gonna take Tiffany, finally. And I'm gonna be using one of her brushes, and this is the eyeshadow brush. Number 8. No, yes, number 8. So I sprayed the shadow with some eyeshadow setting spray. Take this is the number 5 dual blending and highlighting brush, and I'm gonna take that and just come in a little bit. I'm gonna take their blending brush and Majiggy, and I'm gonna take that color Sunset. I'm gonna take my BH liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner, y'all. Like, y'all, I got it for free like a couple of times, and all them times I loved it. So I'm gonna take this eyeliner, and they gave it to me for free with this order too, so I'm hyped. They gave me actually that for free, this little blending small blending, I guess, sponge, and then their little kabuki. So, and I thought I was just getting this, so that was nice to get 2 extra things I didn't know about. I'm gonna line my eyes, and I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and finish it off with the rest of her palette and the rest of her brushes. Yeah, because I'm not gonna use none of those right now. So I'll see y'all when I come back.